Hey there, thank you for watching my second DIY video. This one was inspired by LGQueen Home Decor. When I saw her project, I had to recreate it because it was so beautiful. So I'm going to show you how. You're going to start with silver plastic party plates. I used about 90 of them. 10 foam boards from the Dollar Tree, some gloves to avoid fingerprints, and your glue of choice. I'm using E6000. And for the boards, I'm using Gorilla wood glue only because I already had it. But later on, you'll see me using Gorilla Glue construction adhesive to glue down the plastic plates. So for the foam boards, I used 4 and I taped them just so they wouldn't slide around, but you don't have to do that if you don't want. And then you're going to create a base of 3 sets of 2 for the back. So glue 2 boards together, and you'll have 3 going across the back for your base. Now here you'll see that I'm gluing it up, in my opinion, way too high. I should have glued it centered so that you have an even space on the top and the bottom, but it ended up still working out. Put something heavy on them so that they adhere nicely. And then here are these hooks. They didn't end up working out so well, so I ended up switching to a different picture framing hook that was much stronger, and I also used command strips that you see here. I would go with this type of picture framing hook. It worked out so much better than the others. Now what you'll want to do before you start gluing is just lay out your design, making sure you like the way it looks before you add any glue, because once you glue it, you're pretty much set with what you have. Make sure that everything is even and tightly together so it looks uniform like a mirror. And then once you have the first layer, if you want, you can add some additional design layer for just that extra pop of interesting design to look at. And this is the Gorilla Glue construction adhesive. They have it in small tubes, as well as larger tubes that you need a caulk gun for, but I opted to use the smaller tube. You can find this at Lowe's or Home Depot. And there's the finished project. I was so happy with how it turned out. I only spent about $60 on this, and it looks way more expensive than that. And it truly, in person, looks like a real mirror. I had everybody fooled. So if you want to check out LGQueen Home Decor's videos, I'll link them at the bottom. Thank you for watching.